Welcome back. This is a tutorial on how to spice up your online instruction. This website, Flippity, has quite a bit of templates to make some interactive online games for students. And so this tutorial is just going to go over one of the simpler ones, which is the Flippity Scavenger Hunt. For students, you can use this as a introductory activity, an exit ticket, a pause, and let's check for understanding with your instruction. But you're going to go to flippity.net, and then you're going to click template when you find the specific one that you want. It's going to ask you if you want to make a copy. Yes, I want to make a copy of this template. So I'm waiting for that to load. And then here we are. Now this is what they have for their demo. But we're going to go in, of course, and change all of this information. So first thing is, I know for my specific scavenger hunt, I'm only going to need 7 answers, so questions. So I'm going to delete those right there. And then I'm going to go in and type the questions that I will be asking students. So I'm going to select all of that. So that's my first question for the kids. It is optional if you want to insert any hints, but I don't want a hint for this first question. Then I'm gonna come over here and type in the answer, and it is Jamestown. Go down here, second question. We're gonna change all of that good stuff. So I am the reason for. Now for this one, I'm gonna just simply type in my hint instead of adding a picture or a link to a website, because you do have those options for your students. And then over here, I'm going to type in political. Moving down now for this third question, I am going to want to put in a link to an image for students to use. So first, I'm gonna type the link that I want. I'm gonna keep this here because it's very important that you have this first part, the brackets link, and then I'm just going to highlight there and erase that information. Now this is the link to the document that I want students to reference. This is past notes. So I'm gonna copy this link, go back to my scavenger hunt. My cursor is still there. Press Control V to paste. If you're on a MacBook, then Command V to paste that information in there. And then I'm gonna come over here and type my answer, and it is 1620. That is how you can link in an image. I will put on the instructions for this tutorial how you can link in if you want an image and all that other stuff, a YouTube video. You can do those things for this document. So now my scavenger hunt with my clues, hints, and answers are complete for my students. I'm gonna go down here to the options tab. Here is where you can set things up, whether you want it to be case sensitive, so they have to capitalize things, put yes or no. If you want the questions to go in sequential order, yes. Do I want to randomize the questions? No, I do not. Start text, so that is what the students are going to see once they access the scavenger hunt. So you can change this to be whatever you want it to be. I'm going to leave it as is. Hint warning. When the kids click to have a hint, it's going to ask them, are you sure you want to show the hint for this clue? Done text. I'm going to change this, say congratulations, you are done. Now, email address. You can have the results of the scavenger hunt sent to you. Just make sure you type in your email address here. If you don't want that, then leave this section blank. Name prompt. This is the very first thing that students will see once they click the link to go to the game. For me, I wanted students to enter their name and their class period. Or if you don't want that, you can just type enter your name. Email confirmation, that'll show up to the students, and this is just what I will see in my mailbox, and I'm going to switch it up a little bit. Unit 1, scavenger hunt. Now, I've made all my clues and hints with answers. I've fixed the options that I want. Next, what you need to do, go to File, click Publish to the web. Make sure you are publishing the entire document. I did some more settings down here where I'm restricting it to people only in our district. And as I update this document, it's going to automatically update the changes I make. But make sure that this right here, it should be highlighted a different color, I believe blue. You can click Publish and it'll be published to the web. Now you come back here and look at this, and this is your link for your document, the scavenger hunt. So I'm going to copy that link. I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to go, and voila, there is your scavenger hunt for your game. So I'm going to type in my name, students, and click on the lock to get started. I am a colony and was the first to be successful in the United States, as well as create a representative government. Who am I? Now I'm going to do Jamestown in lowercase, and it's going to still count it right, even though in my actual template I had that one as uppercase. All right, so the students can now go on to the second one. But let's say I go back to my options and I don't want this to be sequential, so I go to no, and it's saving, and it's going to update that. So I'm going to go back here, click this one, copy the link, and I'm going to open the new version where it's non-sequential. Type in my name again. And now when it's non-sequential, the students can click any key and answer in any order versus, the sequential where it's forcing them to go in order. So when you select the option of no for sequential, students can click any key that they want versus having to go in order. But there you have it. Let's go ahead and finish the game to see what the email looks like. Number 3, I'm a colony full of pilgrims and use the make our if students want to look at the hint, click this. Are you sure you want to show the hint? Okay. It's either one of the 3, 1607, 1620, or 1619. Finish the game. Oh, that's wrong. All right, your results have been emailed to your teachers.